In the unseen corners of our world, where humans dare not tread, linger mysteries that baffle our understanding. In the unexplored wilderness amongst towering trees and impenetrable undergrowth, there exists a creature of folklore and legend, a creature known by many names: Bigfoot, Sasquatch, the skunk ape. These names whisper of a mystery, an enigma that has captivated our curiosity for centuries. Steeped in the mist of time, these tales weave a fascinating narrative of encounters with an elusive giant, an entity that leaves behind only footprints and unanswered questions. This creature, shrouded in secrecy, has been the subject of countless debates, investigations, and expeditions. Yet it remains one of the world's greatest unsolved puzzles. Tonight we journey into the heart of this mystery. We traverse the line that separates fact from fiction, reality from myth. Tonight we peel back the veil on this enigma and explore the world of Bigfoot. Our journey begins with the first sightings, the initial whispers of this elusive creature. The mystery of Bigfoot, as we know it today, is deeply rooted in the history and folklore of Native American tribes across North America. Intriguing tales of an enormous, hairy, man-like beast have been passed down through generations, long before the advent of modern technology and the media spotlight. One of the earliest recorded sightings dates back to the early 19th century. A trapper named Bauman reported an encounter with a creature of terrifying proportions in the wilds of Idaho. It was described as standing on two legs, covered in dark matted hair, with a face that bore an uncanny resemblance to a human's, yet was far from it. This story, documented by none other than President Theodore Roosevelt in his book, The Wilderness Hunter, is often considered one of the first encounters with what we now call Bigfoot. But the tales of this elusive being are not just confined to America. Across the globe, in the remote highlands of Nepal, stories of the Yeti, a creature strikingly similar to Bigfoot, have been part of local folklore for centuries. These initial sightings and encounters were met with a mix of fear, curiosity, and skepticism. Fear, because the creature's size and appearance were unlike any known animal. Curiosity, because the possibility of an undiscovered primate living in our midst was too fascinating to ignore. And skepticism, because in the absence of solid evidence, these accounts were just that, stories. Yet these stories were compelling enough to ignite a spark of interest, a desire to seek out the truth behind the mystery. And so began the quest, the hunt for Bigfoot, a quest that has spanned decades, traversed continents, and drawn in countless enthusiasts and skeptics alike. These early encounters set the stage for a mystery that continues to capture our imagination even today. From the dense forests of North America to the remote wilderness of the Himalayas, Bigfoot's habitat spans the globe. Imagine, if you will, a creature so adaptable that it can survive, and indeed thrive, in a multitude of environments ranging from the dense, misty forests of the Pacific Northwest to the hot, humid swamps of the southern United States, all the way to the icy, unforgiving wilderness of the Himalayas. The Pacific Northwest, with its towering trees and vast, unexplored wilderness, is perhaps the most widely recognized home of Bigfoot. Here, in these isolated forests, many a hiker has reported an unexpected encounter with the legendary creature. The sheer size of the area, combined with its dense vegetation, offers the perfect hiding place for such an elusive being. Journey south, and the landscape changes dramatically. The southern United States, with its expansive swamplands and humid climate, might seem an unlikely place for Bigfoot, yet reports of sightings are surprisingly common. The bayous of Louisiana, the marshes of Florida, and the dense forests of Arkansas each has its own tales of the beast, adding to the mystery. Now let's venture across the globe to the Himalayas, the purported home of Bigfoot's Asian cousin, the Yeti. Here in the harsh, snow-covered terrain, locals and explorers alike have reported sightings of a large, ape-like creature. The remoteness of the region, combined with its challenging climate, makes it a perfect habitat for a creature that wants to remain hidden. These habitats, each unique in its own way, share a common thread. They are all places where humans rarely venture, where nature reigns supreme. They are places that, due to their remoteness or harsh conditions, remain largely unexplored and untouched. It's in these hidden corners of the world that Bigfoot continues to live, shrouded in mystery. These habitats, diverse and far-flung, add another layer to the enigma that is Bigfoot. The more we learn about these habitats, the more questions we have. And so, the mystery of Bigfoot's existence continues to captivate us. Among the whispers and shadows, Bigfoot leaves behind signs of its presence. As we delve deeper into the world of this elusive creature, we find intriguing evidence that seems to suggest Yes, Bigfoot might just be more than a creature of myth and folklore. One of the most iconic signs associated with Bigfoot are the footprints. Often found etched into the muddy terrain of remote forests, these footprints are massive, averaging around 24 inches in length and 8 inches in width. Their sheer size and the depth they press into the ground suggest a creature of significant weight and stature. Then there are the strange sounds, from high-pitched screams echoing through the quiet night to low, resonant growls that send shivers down the spine. These sounds are not easily attributed to known wildlife. Some describe them as a language, others as calls or warnings. These sounds, captured in countless audio recordings, add another layer to the enigma surrounding Bigfoot. In addition to footprints and sounds, we find unusual structures in the forest. These include intricate formations of broken and twisted branches, arranged in ways that seem to defy natural causes. Some suggest these formations are territorial markers. Others see them as shelters or nesting sites. Take, for example, the well-documented case in the Siskiyou National Forest. Here, researchers found an intricate arrangement of branches, twisted and interwoven into a complex structure. The construction was far beyond the capabilities of any known animal, yet it was in a remote location, far from human habitation. These signs, footprints, sounds, and structures are the breadcrumbs in our quest to uncover the truth about Bigfoot. They are tantalizing clues that keep us searching, keep us questioning. And while they may not provide definitive proof, they certainly fuel our fascination. These signs, as elusive as the creature itself, stir the curiosity of both skeptics and believers alike. Decades of sightings, countless signs, yet Bigfoot remains a mystery. This enigma has puzzled not just the curious minds of explorers and adventurers, but also the meticulous scrutiny of scientists. Despite the countless accounts, the physical evidence of Bigfoot remains elusive, sparking an ongoing debate about its existence. Some argue that the lack of concrete evidence doesn't necessarily mean the creature doesn't exist. After all, the vast, uncharted wilderness where Bigfoot is said to reside is difficult to navigate and explore. The creature's reputed elusive nature could also be a reason for the lack of solid evidence. If Bigfoot is indeed a master of evasion, then it's no surprise that the creature remains hidden from our prying eyes. Others, however, approach the Bigfoot mystery with skepticism. They argue that the numerous sightings and signs could be anything from misidentifications of known animals to elaborate hoaxes. They point out that in the age of high-resolution cameras in every pocket, it's peculiar that no clear photographic or video evidence has emerged. There are also those who explore a middle ground, suggesting that Bigfoot could be an undiscovered primate species, or perhaps even a relic population of a prehistoric creature thought to be extinct. This theory recognizes the lack of concrete evidence, but also acknowledges the possibility of unknown creatures lurking in the vast wilderness. Despite the ongoing debate, one thing is clear. The Bigfoot enigma has captivated our collective imagination for decades. Whether real or imagined, Bigfoot has become a symbol of our curiosity, our fear of the unknown, and our relentless pursuit of the truth. As we delve deeper into the unknown, the mystery of Bigfoot remains, challenging our understanding of the world we live in. The quest continues, and perhaps one day we will have a definitive answer. Until then, Bigfoot remains a mystery, an enigma that continues to haunt our dreams and fuel our curiosity. As we journey back from the unexplored corners of our world, the image of Bigfoot lingers. We've traversed the shadowy history of first sightings, where the initial glimpses of this elusive creature sparked a global curiosity. We've ventured into the unknown, exploring the habitats of Bigfoot from the dense forests of North America to the remote mountains of the Himalayas. The signs of the beast, be it footprints or unusual sounds, have been our guideposts, leading us deeper into the mystery. Yet, the enigma continues. Despite countless expeditions and investigations, concrete evidence remains as elusive as Bigfoot itself. Each clue only deepens the mystery, adding another layer to this intricate puzzle. The quest for Bigfoot is more than a search for a mythical creature. It's a journey into the unknown, a testament to human curiosity and our relentless pursuit of truth. The mystery of Bigfoot, as enigmatic as the creature itself, continues to captivate us, reminding us of the unexplored mysteries that lie in the unseen corners of our world.